Hey everybody, it's Sam and I'm very happy to be sharing this amazing advent calendar which has been made from the team who bring you the Papercraft Society. I will give you a sneak peek of inside in a moment, but if you are a Papercraft Society subscriber, so that's the monthly kits, then you would have already had your early access to this yesterday, and it has already been extremely popular. Now there are only a limited amount of these, so once they're gone, that is it, and it will be then delivered to you in November, ready for you to enjoy through the days of December. The price for this is fantastic. It's $34.99. That's the early bird offer, and then it will go up to $39.99, but that's only if there's any available. You get this beautiful box. It also comes in the brown box is lovely as well, and it's got really nice detail on it and everything. So yeah, I got very excited when I got to see all of this, because I have designed some of the pockets here. So there are 25 envelopes, pockets, and inside is a mix of Christmas and non-Christmas stamps, dies, embossing folders. There's all kinds of other things. Obviously, I don't want to give anything away. And there are things in there from Card Making Magic, Made to Surprise, textures, Creative Craft Product, Card Making Magic, did I say them? My Creative Life, I probably repeated myself. All of your favourite co-brands are inside here. And they will be sharing projects using the contents in here as well. This will look really nice displayed in the box, kept on your shelf like so, because like I said, you'll be able to use this all year round as well. There's lots of things in here. They're not just for Christmas. And I think it'll look nice with your other envelopes from your Papercraft Society kits. And then as you pull one out, little envelope, ooh, little peek there, and that's all you're getting. I have looked in all of them. I cannot wait to actually start creating with it, because I haven't actually made anything yet. This is my one that I will be using as well. So yeah, I want to be opening it with you as you enjoy it. Hopefully you can resist and you won't open them all at once, and you will join us all at Craft Stash as we open each day as well and share them. But like I said, this has just been released yesterday. It's now out to the general public today, and there's only a limited amount, so once it's gone, it's gone. So that is all you're going to get from me today, but in 1st of December you'll get to see exactly what's inside. As always, all of the information to the Papercraft Society is always linked in the description box below my video, and I'll see you all very soon.